That's what's holding y'all back. Negativity, man. Straight up. Don't give a fuck what nobody say. Do what feels right to you. You know who you are. Do you know who you are and be you? And I'm me. I'm happy being me. Feel good to be me right now, man. You can do what the fuck you want to do because the world is yours. The world is yours.
If you have a creative mind, you're gonna doubt a lot of things. That's all completely normal. Insecurity is all completely normal, especially with your own work, because it's an extension of yourself. So you gotta just start being cool with letting people get to know you on a deeper level.
Turn that darkness to some kind of light. Some kind of light.
When you know where you're going and you know what you want, the universe has a way of stepping aside for you.
Where you realize you have to become a being living towards death. You're not going to live forever, and you've got to give your life to something.
You gotta figure out who you are, because without an identity, you won't have a clear goal. Once you have the identity, you'll find birds of that feather, and then you can flock together because it's easier with people than without people. Keep your heart open. When you figure out who you are, then you'll know what you want.
Being an artist in any way, any nature, is a kind of a sign of a certain kind of dysfunction, a social dysfunctionalism anyway. It's an extraordinary thing to want to do, to express yourself in such rarefied terms. I think I think it's a loony kind of thing to want to do. I think the saner and rational approach to life is to survive steadfastly and create a protective home and create a warm, loving environment for one's family and get food for them. That's about it. That's actually all. Anything else is extra. All culture is extra. Culture is, that's, I guess it's a freebie. It's something that we only need to eat. We don't need particular color plates or particular height chairs or anything. I mean, anything will do, but we insist on making 1,000 different kinds of chairs and 15 different kinds of plates. It's unnecessary, and it's a sign of the irrational part of man, I think. We should just be content with picking nuts.